Good evening, everyone. As chairperson of GFDC, it brings me immense joy to welcome each and every one of you for Kaju Season 2 2024, Kaju Fest Season 2 2024. I extend my heartfelt welcome to our esteemed guests for today, our chief guest, Shri Govind Gaudeji, our Honorable Sports Minister, our Art and Culture Minister and RDA Minister, our Honorable MLA from Sawardesh, Dr. Ganesh Gaonkar ji, GTDC Chairperson, my colleague, Honorable MLA from Vasco, Daji Salkar ji, our PCCF, Kamal Datta ji, our APCCF, Umakant ji, Praveen Kumar ji, our CCF, my MD of my corporation, Mr. Nand Kumar, who is our big strength of our corporation, and without his support and efforts, this festival wouldn't have been possible. And welcome to each and every one of you, all our esteemed guests who are here in our audience. Because of you, this festival has been a great success. So the entire credit goes to each one of you who are present here today and who were there last year and who made this festival possible, a huge success last year, and because of that we could host season 2. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude, and I'm really grateful and thankful to our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Pramod Sawant ji, our Honorable Forest Minister Shri Vishwajit Rane ji, because of whom, because of their efforts, they declared this as the state festival last year, and because of that we could have this as a 3-day extravaganza this year and have a grand 2x entertainment for you all this year as Kaju Fest Season 2 2024. The Kaju Fest, this is just not somebody, everybody will be thinking and many people will be thinking, what is new about this festival? It's just like any other festival where there is drinks and there is food and there is music and entertainment. But this festival is different because this is just not about just food and drinks and entertainment. It's everything about the Kaju, because Kaju is just not a fruit for us Goans. It is our way of life. And to take this forward, to celebrate this Kaju fruit, this is the way we contribute a little bit from our side to give that respect to our beautiful Kaju fruit, so everybody knows about it, everybody is aware about it, and it needs that right amount of promotion and education about it, so that our Kaju fruit doesn't get extinct, which I felt that the way the production was going on, slowly, if we don't take care of our plantations and our cultivations, slowly all our production and the yield was getting low, the production was getting low, and slowly our beautiful fruit, I think, would have been extinct, and we would have said in a few years that there was something called a Kaju once upon a time. So that doesn't happen. This is the reason we have this festival, so that the awareness is created about this festival. So it's a beautiful trend, it is a beautiful blend of our tradition, about our culture and community empowerment. So beyond more festivity, it stands as a beacon of hope for all our Kaju farmers and our local community, especially our self-help groups, our rural women who work in the Kaju fields day and night, because that is their main livelihood in the hinterland of Goa. And Kaju is I mean, this is Kaju fruit is the main, it gives rise to our rural economy. So to promote this, promote our Goan cultural heritage through Kaju, so this is our main motto. This year's Kaju Fest, it's a 3-day extravaganza. We have lot of traditional Kaju processing demonstrations, technical sessions by renowned panelists, a delectable variety of Kaju dishes from over 78 stalls. There are a lot of culinary experiences and performances by local Goan bands as well as national Bollywood bands, DJs. There's a hosted by our Mr. Bhakta, who is the president of our Feni Association. So over there we had our poetry recitations by different poets who had come from Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, and the theme was the fruit Kaju. And we had felicitation of farmers, there was culinary demonstrations, there were Kaju trails, there were panel discussions again there. So the primary aim of the festival is again to honor and celebrate the rich legacy of Kaju cultivation and processing in Goa. Moreover, the festival serves as a hub for discussions on crucial topics as how we can improve our Kaju yields, addressing the challenges faced by farmers. Through technical sessions and workshops, we aim to foster collaboration and innovation, paving the way for a thriving Kaju industry that sustains and empowers our communities for years to come. Kaju production in Goa holds significant economic and social importance, contributing to livelihoods of thousands of our farmers and thousands of our rural self-help groups, our women. Currently, our production, the raw Kaju production, stands at 25,800 tons annually, with approximately 20 processing industries in operation, employing over 3,500 workers. The Kaju sector plays a vital role in Goa's economy, and at the Goa Forest Development Corporation, our efforts are on to enhance our Kaju cultivation and processing. We produce approximately around 200 kgs per hectare in our cultivation. We have some 6,900 hectares of plantation, which contributes to like 13% of the total area of Kaju area in Goa. Goa produces like 55 kilos per hectare of Kaju, which is way below the 760 kilos per hectare, which is the national average. And we are way below, and this level has gone down year by year. And that's the reason we are ranking number 7. And but I think all our efforts are on from our side, GFDC side, and I'm sure even the agriculture department side to improve our cultivation, improve help the farmers with the right proper pest control, proper helping them when there is a climate change, all the climate changes help affect the plantations, the cultivation, and that's the reason this year we saw that there was a reduction in 50% of the Kaju production. Onupay जी काजूची yield आशिल्ली ती 50% कमी जाली आनी हाजेर डायरेक्ट नुकसान आमच्या फार्मरांक वता. आनी हें तर आमी तर टायमली तर इंटरवेंशन करना बाय द एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर फ्रॉम आवर सायड GFDC टू आवर फार्मर्स. तांकां मोटिवेशन मेळना, तांची उर्जा तर आमकां वाडोवपाक जाय, तांकां ते रायट सपोर्ट प्रायस टायमली मेळपाक जाय, तांकां रायट प्रॉपरचे अवेरनस क्रिएट जावपाक जाय की झाडां कशें कल्टिवेशन करप, कशें प्रोडक्शन वाडप, कशें म्हणून ही पॅनल डिस्कशन्स, टेक्निकल सेशन्स वेर कितलेशे फार्मर्स आमचे भाग घेता ह्या टेक्निकल सेशनांनी. आज पासून कितलेशे फार्मर्स आयिल्ले आनी त्या टेक्निकल सेशन्सांनी कितलेशे फार्मर्सांनी दे स्पोक अबाउट द रायट way of cultivation, right methods they are using for watering the plants, how they maintain the plantations, how they plant in the right manner, how they using the correct farming techniques. आणि थोडे असे फार्मर्स आशिल्ले तांणी म्हणलें आमचें प्रोडक्शन 750 रुपया म्हणजे किलोज पर हेक्टर वी आर मॅनेजिंग दॅट विच इज मोर देन आमचें एवरेज जें आसा. सो इफ सर्टन फार्मर्स आर practicing and using these techniques to improve the yield, then I think every one of us, like whether it's GFDC or the agriculture department or all our government वेगळे departments, I think आमचो तर integrated तर एक effort असलो from all our sides. I think we can, with all these panel discussions, creating awareness for the farmers and right monitoring, timely monitoring, I think आमचे प्रोडक्शन आमी वाडोवपाक शकता. आणि गोंय राज्यांत आमचे जे रँकींग आसा, आय थिंक फ्रॉम नंबर 7 नॅशनल रँक वी कॅन कम टू नंबर 3 इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू इयर्स. आय थिंक इफ ईच वन ऑफ अस मेक्स दॅट कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड एफर्ट्स. सो हे सगळें जे आमी करतात ते आमचे कॅज्यू फार्मर कसो बेनिफीट जातलो, आमची महिला जी रुरल भागान काम करता, आमचे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाक ताका कसो हाजो फायदो जातलो, आमचे जे कॅज्यू प्रोसेसर्स आसा, कॅज्यू ट्रेडर्स आसा, आमचे फेनी डिस्टिलर्स, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट आसा हू आर डिपेंडंट ऑन दिस कॅज्यू इंडस्ट्री, हाका कसो फायदो जातलो, अँड द न्यू जनरेशन तांणी फुडाकार घेवपाक जाय आनी ह्या फिल्डान येवपाक जाय, फार्मिंगान येवपाक जाय, कॅज्यू प्रोडक्शन आनी वाडोवपाक जाय. दे शूड गेट इन टू वेदर इट इज फेनी डिस्टिलेशन ऑर द कॅज्यू नट इंडस्ट्री, तांणी हातून भाग घेवन फुडें सरपाक जाय आनी ही इंडस्ट्री तर वयर सरपाक जाय. आमची फार्मरांक तर बेनिफीट जावपाक जाय, आमचे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांक बेनिफीट जावपाक जाय, जाल्यार हे कलेक्टीव एफर्ट्स आमचे सगळ्यांचे आसपाक जाय आमचे प्रोडक्शन वाडोवपाक. आनी प्रत्येकान तर आमी हाजी नोंद घेवन तर हे तर फुडाकार घेवन तर आमचे एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटांनी आमी JFDCन तर फुडाकार घेतलो जाल्यार फुडल्या थोड्याच वर्सांनी म्हाका खात्री आसा की आमचें प्रोडक्शन वील गो वे अबाव द नॅशनल एवरेज अँड वी कॅन रियली गो अप द रँकींग. Again, I would like to reiterate that this Kaju festival is dedicated to our, I call them our unsung heroes. They are our Kaju cultivators, आमचे Kaju farmers, आमचे self-help groups. And आमचे जे बायलां जे आमची रुरल भागान, आमच्या ग्रामीण भागान जी काम करता, ह्या लोकां खातीर these are our unsung heroes. They are the ones because of who this Kaju industry is there, and if we have to make it thriving and successful and profitable for each one, whether it is the distillery or whether it is the कॅज्यू नट प्रोसेसर्स, ते फार्मर आसूनी की सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपांक, हे तर आमकां तांकां प्रॉफिटेबल करपाक जाय जाल्यार आमचे हे जे अनसंग हिरोज आसा तांकां मोटिवेशन मेळपाक जाय जाल्यार प्रत्येकाचो आमचो एफर्ट, आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो एफर्ट, आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाचो एफर्ट, तांकां फुडाकार मेळपाक जाय, प्रॉपर तांकां सपोर्ट प्रायस टायमली मेळून, रायट अमावंट ऑफ बरो सपोर्ट प्रायस मेळून, तांकां प्रॉपर अवेरनस क्रिएट करून आमी हे फुडें व्हरपाक शकता. आनी ह्या प्रयत्नान जे आमचे मेन मोटो आसा की कॅज्यू इंडस्ट्री खातीर आमचे हे आमचे जे सगळे आमची रुरल इकॉनॉमी वाडोवपाक आमचो जो प्रयत्न आसा, जे आमच्या फार्मरां खातीर, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपा खातीर, आमचे फेनी डिस्टिलर्स, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हांचे खातीर जी आमची रुरल इकॉनॉमी वाडटा, हांच्या खातीर आमचो मेन मुद्दो आसा की गोवा आत्मनिर्भर जावपाक जाय, स्वयंपूर्ण जावपाक जाय इन कॅज्यू प्रोडक्शन. आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा आमच्या प्रत्येकाच्या एफर्टान हें जातलें. परत एकदां I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawantji, our Forest Minister Vishwajit Rane, for declaring this Kaju Fest as the state festival, and his continued and unwavering support is truly appreciated, and which has helped us in further empowering the Kaju cultivators and our community at large. Thank you everyone for being here and making it a success last year, and I'm sure there's no doubt that each one of you is going to make it even grander and bigger this year and even more successful. I just want to say thank you once again and let all the festivities begin. Thank you.